Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to our channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching our channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for us all. Welcome to our kitchen, where, as you can see, there's a whole load of bread. So it is a bread-based, simple dish. It is bread and butter pudding. So for this, you will need some bread, which needs to be buttered. Okay, we will also need custard. We will also need, what can we say, a topping of your choice, a mixture of your choice. I've just chosen a very simple green sultanas. And of course, over here, we've got the milk to start the custard making process. Okay, once the breads have been buttered, we need to, there's a container over here and that needs greasing. Okay, so make sure this is really well greased. Otherwise, when we put it into the oven, it will stick, obviously. So all we do is to make the bread into smaller pieces by quartering it, so cut it in half. Okay, so that's been quartered. Can we lay this out as the first layer on here? Okay, so we'll see how many more we need as the first layer. So as you can see, our baking tray is full with one layer, and then the other pieces are on a plate. So we're going to prepare the making of the custard now. So the milk is about to boil, so we're just going to add the contents. This is mango custard. You have custard of your choice. So a little bit has been added to some milk there, and as you can see over here, we have some boiling milk and sugar as per taste. How many are we having? 2, 3? 3. And a 3. Okay, and mix that really well. Okay, so we add the mixture. There we go. How long is that going to mix for? How long do we mix for?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, and it should be ready. So our custard is ready for the first layer, viewers. So we're going to pour that over the bread. Okay, so that going to cover the first layer, and then we're going to make some more and repeat the process. So it's up to you guys what can we say garnishing you want. So ours is sultanas. I think it's called kishmish in kishmish कहते हैं ना? Kishmish. So that goes over that, and then we're going to add another layer. Okay. I think that's sufficient there, and we're going to prepare some more custard. Okay, we're ready for our next layer. Okay, that is our final layer. Pour some custard over that. Lovely. Okay, so final top layer of garnishing, please. And we're going to let that cool down for around about 10 minutes. I'm going to put it in the fridge just to make sure. So there is our cool down bread and butter pudding, and we're going to put that into the oven now and cook it for 25 minutes. Okay, there it goes into the oven. Round about, I've forgotten the gas mark. I think it's set 6. Okay, we're going to cook that for 25 minutes now, viewers. There we have it, guys, our very simple bread and butter pudding. So it's entirely up to you. You can have it piping hot as I am about to, or you can let it cool down and eat it like that. You can put other toppings on, and the one that I like is honey. Okay, so lots of honey all over. There we go. नाज़रीन ये एक और टॉपिंग कर सकते हैं, ये है शहद honey. Hopefully you've got nice crusts all around, and that is really where the taste is. So can we just try a little bit, please? There we go. So it's there we have it, guys. So nice simple bread and butter pudding. So as you can see, nice and soft, and if you eat that hot, that is lovely. That is delicious. So I do hope you're going to try that, viewers. नाज़रीन उम्मीद है आप ये हमारी सिंपल रेसिपी ट्राई करेंगे. Until the next time, look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.